Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, backup camera. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.